Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on the Architect's Guide to AI API Integration. Today, we will explore how to transition from theoretical AI knowledge into practical, scalable engineering skills. AI APIs serve as a standardized bridge between complex language models and your applications. For example, in an IT ticket system, you can send messy text to an AI and receive structured summaries and categories in return. Every interaction with an AI begins with a structured JSON request payload. This includes defining the model, the user messages, and any optional configuration parameters required for the task. The API transforms your unstructured prompts into predictable, structured data. The critical information you need is located within the response's message content, powering the features you build. You can validate your endpoints and request payloads without writing any code by using tools like Postman. This is an excellent way to test your integration logic and verify expected responses. For front-end applications, you can trigger AI models using standard fetch requests. Simply configure your headers and body as shown here to interact with the API securely from your client-side code. For back-end integrations, using .NET allows you to seamlessly embed AI logic into your secure server layers, keeping your implementation robust and reliable. Raw IT tickets can be transformed into 4 operational microservices: ticket summarization, auto-response generation, ticket categorization, and a knowledge base article generator. A secure AI implementation follows a 3-tier flow. Your React frontend handles the interface, your .NET backend manages security and secrets, and the external AI API provides the processing power. The user experience is seamless, involving an action in the UI, a triggered request, backend processing, and an instant result returned to the interface. Remember these 4 guardrails. Never expose keys in the front end, keep prompts efficient, build for resilience against failures, and monitor usage to manage your budget. To test your setup, try executing a live categorization request. Construct your system prompt, perform the API call, and parse the output to confirm it works correctly. Solidify your skills with a 4-day sprint. Integrate the API, build 2 micro-features, and design your own specific integration architecture. You now possess the blueprints to turn theoretical AI knowledge into tangible engineering solutions. You are ready to automate complex workflows effectively. To wrap up, here is the full architect's blueprint, summarizing the flow from front-end triggers to back-end security and AI engine processing.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.